So could you spill some beans on your upcoming projects?
Upcoming, actually, I'm doing a Telugu movie.
Amazing. Which one?
Yeah, but I cannot reveal the details. There is some releases pending in Malayalam. Then also maybe I do a movie with the same director from Premalu, Girish Eddy. So yeah,
nice.
that are my current
You are looking
projects.
forward to that?
Yeah, yes, I'm very happy that good projects are coming to me. So all because of Premalu.
Very good. So how are you feeling at Saima?
Morning in the hotel, just when I came out of the room, it's like all the legends are walking here and there. That's like no Disneyland kind of feeling I had.
Do you feel that it's somewhere you have manifested all these?
Exactly, I'm a manifester. I'm a very big time manifester. So no, I used to hold that powder tin in my hand and act like in front of the mirror. Act like no, I got the Risri award and all. I used to do that. So it's like real. I'm also manifesting that. If I get an award, that will be my manifestation only.
Have a wonderful time at Saima and welcome to Dubai.
Thank you.
How do you find Dubai?
Dubai is amazing and Saima in Dubai is more amazing. Like, you know, I think last 4 years Saima is happening in Dubai. And it's too good.
Nice. So whenever you come to Dubai, what's the thing you want to try? Like, sabse pehle.
So Dubai is quite energetic. I feel that vibe and, you know, buzzing is always in the air. Even if you're walking on the road, it's fun. So I think you have so much to do, you know. Everybody has their own thing to do. So I think Dubai is fun for everybody.
Is there any specific cuisine you want to try when you are in Dubai?
Lebanese, hummus, chicken. Oh my God. I'm a non-vegetarian, so I'm sorry.
Do you have a specific favorite restaurant?
I like Al Baruti, so I think you guys should try Al Baruti.
Al Baruti, yes. It's favorite of a lot of people over here. Have a wonderful evening and it's lovely meeting you here. Hi ma'am, how are you? You look fabulous.
I'm great. Thank you so much.
What are you wearing today?
I'm again wearing Masumi Mewawala's outfit and she's a stunning designer.
We can see that.
Yes, she styled us for the Hyderabad function as well. So yes.
That's the reason we know now she's your favorite.
Yes, she is my favorite.
Amazing. So how was your experience?
So it's an amazing experience to see people winning awards and even being nominated is such a huge thing for me. So I think I'm learning a lot about the South Indian cinema.
And you have such a huge fan base.
Yes, they are absolutely adorable and so sweet. Like when you're entering an industry, you don't expect people to give you so much love, but that's all that I've received from the people.
Amazing. Here. We wish you super duper success.
Thank you.
And it's lovely having you. Hi ma'am, welcome to Saima.
Thank you.
Fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Would you tell what you're wearing?
Like this is a gown by Zveta Couture, so I'm wearing that.
So till now, whatever movies you have done, so which one was the most challenging?
My web series Yakshini was the most challenging for me. Yeah, it was really demanding, the role, produced by Arka Media of Bahubali, the film. So it was really exhausting, challenging, but a great learning experience.
So how did you prepare yourself for that role?
I do a lot of prep work and I have another script of my personal script along with the film script. So yeah, a lot of time goes into it, but I love it and that's the way I enjoy doing my work.
Nice. So whenever you choose a project, it's basically on the director who's directing or the production house or the script. How do you go usually? Your priority?
Intuition, good team, good role. Yeah, that's what I look for. Good team.
Amazing. And would you spill some beans on your upcoming projects?
Upcoming is a web series I'm doing in Tamil. I am also doing a film in Tamil and there's a couple of projects in Telugu as well.
Any specific thing you want to tell your Telugu fans?
Thank you for loving Yakshini, thank you for loving Fear, thank you for loving Razakar and keep showering me with all the love.
Amazing.
Chala thanks.
We have got just Jumana here. Let's ask what she's wearing. She looks fabulous. So what are you wearing today?
So this is, like you can see, it's sari, but it's not like the kind of usual sari. It's ready-made, which is easier to wear. And I got it from Vinay Fashion.
Amazing.
Vinay, yeah. He's got like amazing saris and really beautiful wedding outfits and Indian attire if you're looking for some. And they've got a few branches in Dubai and Sharjah as well. You should check out their store. It's pretty cool.
You are here to cheer any specific actor or actress?
I'm here to cheer everybody. I'm super excited. I'm sure all the superstars are going to be here. And people are going to perform and they're going to get award. I'm really looking forward to it.
So any message for all your Telugu fans?
I love you all.
Amazing. Short and sweet. It's nice having you here.
Nice having you too.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
And how was your experience after receiving the award?
Very happy. Saima's been very generous. This is my third Saima award, so I'm super happy.
And I'm sure you have seen lot of crowd cheering for you here. Is it overwhelming at times?
I'm just very happy actually to see all the love.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing IKEA, this brand from Bombay, and they have some absolutely. Oh, thank you so much. They have some absolutely wonderful pieces.
And would you like to spill some beans on your upcoming projects?
Nothing on the level of announcement yet. I'm working on a Tamil film right now. We are almost wrapping shoot. I think it should be announced very soon.
And one more thing, you would prefer movies more or OTT?
Oh, definitely movies.
I knew that.
Yes, movies is the soul.
And what was the best part of Kalki? Like anything which you want to carry with you throughout your journey?
Kalki as a whole has been an amazing experience. It's very hard to pick one favorite thing, but I think if I have to, I think it will be being Kyra and doing all the action.
It's lovely having you here and enjoy your evening.